Hello, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are taking care of yourself. Ma'am is hoping you all are enjoying online session too. Okay. So in previous videos, we have learnt about BL blend words and BR blend words. But today we are going to learn about another blend. Do you know what is this? You don't know, right? Let me tell you. We are going to learn about CL blend words. CL blend words. Okay? The sound of C is K. Sound of C is K. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. When they both will become together, sound will be cl, cl, cl. Okay? So today we are going to make word with CL. So let's start. Our first word is, no, I'm not going to tell you. You will have to guess what I am doing. Right, I am clapping. हम clap class में भी करते हैं ना? When we appreciate others, we appreciate them by clapping. Okay? So the word is clap. C-L-A-P. C-L clap. C-L clap. A-P app. Clap. Okay? Now, second word is, you will have to guess what I am doing. I am clicking. Okay, so the word is click. When we open the door, there is a sound. That sound we call click. What we call click. Okay, that word is also click. So C-L-I-C-K. C-L cluck. I-C-K ick. Click. Okay. Next word is clam. C-L-A-M. C-L cluck. A-M-M. Clam. Do you know what do we say in Hindi? CP. क्लैम को हिंदी में सीपी कहते हैं. समुद्र में जो सीपी मिलते हैं ना, उसको इंग्लिश में क्लैम कहते हैं. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज, कैन यू सी दिस? यस, इट्स क्लॉक. वी यूज इट with the help of this we can see time. Okay, so the word is clock. C-L-O-C-K. C-L clock. O-C-K ock. Clock. Okay. Next word is clump. C-L-U-M-P. C-L clump. U-M-P ump. Clump. Clump को हिंदी में कूड़े का ढेर कहते हैं. Okay, you can see in the picture. Next word is, you will have to see first, then you will tell me what is this. Okay, what is this? Yes, it's clip. C-L-I-P. C-L club. I-P ip. Clip. Okay, so mostly you have seen that girls use this in their hair. Okay, तो girls इसको use करती हैं. Clip. Next word is club. C-L-U-B. C-L club. U-B up. Club. Club where we celebrate birthdays and where we do party. So we call it club. Okay. Next word is claws. C-L-A W S. CL club. AWS os. Claws. Claws means पंजा. Claws means पंजे. क्लोज पंजों को कहते हैं. आपने एनिमल्स के पंजे देखे हैं ना, उनको इंग्लिश में क्लोज कहते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लाइंब. CLIMB. क्लाइंब मीन्स क्या होता है? यू ऑल नो. क्लाइंब मीन्स चढ़ना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लोज. CLOSE. CL क्लब. OSE ओस. क्लोज. क्लोज का मतलब बंद करना. लाइक इफ द डोर इज ओपन, सो आई विल से प्लीज क्लोज द डोर. ओके, कि दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. तो बंद मीन्स क्लोज. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लोथ्स. CLOTHES. CL club. OTHES oats. Clothes. Clothes means kapde. We wear clothes. Next word is class. CLASS. CL club. ASS us. Class. In which class you are? You are in first class. So you all know the meaning of class. Okay. Next word is clay. 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 CL club. AYA. Clay. You all know what is clay. We use it in activity. जैसे आपने भी एक्टिविटी में यूज़ किया था ना, आपने उससे चीज़ें बनाई थी. So you all know about clay. Next word is closet. CLOSET. CL club. OSET. Closet. Closet. So what is closet? Where we do our clothes and our other essential things. Okay. आपने देखा होगा, we can say it's a almirah. ओके, जहाँ पे हम अपना सामान रखते हैं, अपने कपड़े रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लाउन. CLOWN. CL क्लब. OWN ऑन. क्लाउन. क्लाउन मीन्स जोकर, जो हमें हंसाता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लाउड. CLOUD. CL क्लब. OUD out. Cloud. Cloud means बादल. Okay, you can see cloud in the picture. Now next word is clean. CL club. EAN. In. Clean. Clean मतलब साफ. लाइक यहाँ पे गंदा हो गया है तो मैं आपको बोलूँगी प्लीज़ क्लीन इट. आप इसको साफ कर दो. दैट मीन्स क्लीन मीन्स साफ. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लोव. CLOVE. CL club. OVE. O. क्लोव. क्लोव एक क्लोव मसाला होता है जिसे हम खाने में यूज़ करते हैं, हम पूजा में भी यूज़ करते हैं, और हिंदी में इसको लौंग कहते हैं. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लेवर. CL club. EVER. एवर. क्लेवर. क्लेवर मीन्स चालाक. लाइक वी से ही इज़ सो क्लेवर. दैट मीन्स वो बहुत चालाक है. So students, I hope you all have understood CL blend words. Now what we will do? We will revise CL blend words. But before this, we will do a fun activity. So you all are ready? So let's start. Students, can you see what are these things? Yes, we have clowns. We have brinjals. We have clocks. We have clapping hands. And what is this? This is cloud and these are clouds. And what is this? This is brush. We have so many brush. So many clouds, so many clapping hands, so many clocks. We have so many brinjals, so many clowns. Now what will we do? We will collect it. Okay, first we will collect clowns. Okay, so let me count how many clowns we have. 1, 2, 3. So how many clowns I have? I have 3 clowns. So I have kept these clowns here. Okay, now we will take clock. How many clocks we have? Let me count it. I will keep it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 clocks. Wow, we have 7 clocks. Now I will collect clapping hands. So let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 clapping hands. Wow. Now you tell me, what should I collect? What? Clouds. Okay. Now I will count clouds. I will keep it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 clouds. You can see here is 6 clouds. Now I will collect brinjal. So let me collect it. Then I will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I have 4 brinjals. Now I will collect these brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 brushes. Wow. Now we will count it again. Okay. You will have to count it with me. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3 clowns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clocks. 3 clowns. 7 clocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clapping hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4 brinjals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. Yes. Now what will we do? Now we will keep numbers name here. So we have 3 clowns. Okay. So I will keep number name in front of 3 clowns. Okay. THREE 3. How many clocks we have? We have 7 clocks. So I will keep 7 here. SEVEN 7. We have 5 clapping hand. FIVE 5. We have 6 clouds. SIX 6. We have 4 brinjals. So I will keep four here. Four. We have 8 brushes. So I will keep 8 here. EIGHT. Okay. Now you can see 3 clowns, 7 clocks, 5 clapping hands, 6 clouds, 4 brinjals and 8 brushes. Okay. So in this way our activity has completed. Okay. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Friends, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity with me. Now you all will tell me, have you noticed how many blends were there? Yes, there were 2 types of blends. CL blend words and BR blend words. And have you seen there were numbers names also. Now what you will do? You have to write 1 to 10 numbers with their number names in your notebook. Okay. Now it's time to say bye bye.